thee, for I am fearfully and wonderfully made. God loves me. God made me. Jeremiah 31 verse 3. Lord said, I loved you with an everlasting love. God loves me. Psalms 121 verse 2. My help comes from the Lord who created heavens and the earth. God helps me.
Psalms 121 verse 5. God is my keeper and my shade on my right side. God keeps me.
God made me. God made me. In my Bible book it says that God made me. God loves me.